Hello everyone, my name is Jason Kerestes and I am a big friend of Dr. Drizzle's, and I wanted to come on here and talk to you a little bit about how I became a robotics engineer, which led me to work for the world's largest aerospace manufacturer, developing robots that build and maintain aircraft. You know, along that way I've had the opportunity to do a lot of fun things, but it all started from one basic principle: building and breaking things, to be honest. You see, when I started, I didn't know that I wanted to be a robotics engineer, but I knew that I loved building things. And so at a young age, I actually convinced my parents to buy me a welder, and from there started learning how to weld. And I mean, I was like 11, so don't think that there's any age limit to this. Obviously, you gotta be safe and learn the right way, but once I learned how to build things, it gave me some unique capabilities that other engineers don't have. You see, I could not only just design things, but I could take them and build and make physical things with them too. And I do this every day on my current projects. And it gives me the opportunity to be really fast with things. But you see, when I started going to college, I wanted to do something more than just build things. So I started going to school for mechanical engineering, which led into robotics. Through that, I was able to combine all the different aspects of the mechanical engineering process, which has physical, mechanical things, but also electrical and, different principles of physics like statics and dynamics, to apply that into building robot manipulators. Now, this is a robot that I kind of work with sometimes. It's called a Kuka-Iwa, and it's called a collaborative robot. It allows us to actually work with the robot around other people, but that's not how it really started for me either. You see, I also built jetpacks and exoskeletons for the military. And now I'm working not only on robots to build airplanes, but my own cool personal projects as well. You know, my car just broke down the other day, and one of the cool capabilities that I have gained over learning how to be an engineer, learning how to take things apart, is that, we can pretty much fix anything. If it's put together by humans, and even sometimes by robots, we can still actually figure that out and work on that. And so I was able to fix my car when it broke down and save a bunch of money, but it also gave me the knowledge of how to do that. And so the next time something happens like that, I'll be even more experienced in it. So don't be afraid to try anything and get your hands dirty. Start building things, start taking things apart. If your lawnmower breaks down or your parents' lawnmower breaks down, talk to them first, but maybe see about taking it apart and looking at some YouTube videos on what to check for, to how to make sure that an engine runs. You'll need to learn how to look for spark and fuel and air, but if you have those three things, then you can probably get that engine running. So, don't be afraid to take things apart, and always go for your goals. You could end up somewhere building robots on Mars or building robots that build airplanes. Anyway, thank you and have a great day. Peace out. Say hi to Dr. Drizzle for me. Take care.